One pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many cooking and unboxing videos. Now today, with it being Pancake Day in the UK, or Shrove Tuesday, I thought I'd bring you some pancakes. Now I know that Japanese pancakes, the fluffy ones, are all the craze at the minute, gone viral online, so I thought I'd bring you a little tutorial on how to make your own Japanese style fluffy pancakes. Now traditionally they're made in a pan with a lid dent on top. However, I'm going to show you how to make these in the Ninja Grill, but if you want to make them in a pan, feel free to do that anyway. But I'm going to do them in the Ninja. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and you hit that bell for notifications of when I release a new video, and make sure you head over to my Facebook and Instagram pages at One Pizza Too Many, and my newly created Ninja Foodi World Facebook group, all things ninja, recipes, tips and ideas. So let me talk you through the ingredients now and we'll then get into the cooking. We have 150 gram of self-raising flour, 2 eggs, we have 180 ml of milk. I'm using semi-skimmed today. I've then got caster sugar, which I'm going to use 2 spoons of. I've then got baking powder, which I'm going to use half a teaspoon. Vanilla essence or extract, half a teaspoon. And then for serving we have whipped cream, maple syrup, and we also have strawberries, blueberries and raspberries. And then we have some oil as well for going in the batter mixture. And then you'll see I have 3 rings, and these have all been greased and floured. And of course we have the Ninja Grill, which we're going to cook these on. So let's get cooking. Now you know what ingredients you're going to need. I'm going to bring you in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. First of all, we have our flour, and to the flour we're going to add 2 spoons of caster sugar. 1, 2, and to this we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, then vanilla extract or essence, whichever you have, half a teaspoon, in it goes. And then we have some milk, 180 ml of milk going straight in. And then we come to the eggs. So we're going to split the eggs. We want to keep the whites separate to the yolks. Okay, so just carefully back into until you get all the whites out. And it's really important you don't get any of the yolk in with the white. If you do, you'll have to start again, as the meringue won't turn out well, the whipped egg whites. Nearly there. Another one. Now this is a really good alternative to your standard pancakes on Shrove Tuesday or Pancake Day in the UK, and it's a real sort of breakfast item really, or this particular one is. So then we have a bowl with eggs, flour, vanilla, baking powder and sugar or egg yolks, and then a bowl with the egg whites, and we're now just going to whisk up these egg whites. and there we are. So nice stiff peaks in the egg whites. Then we're going to move over, same whisk, and I'm just going to incorporate all this together, slowly working from the inside of the bowl out, and then incorporating all that flour, and then you want to give it a good whisk to get any lumps out. Now if you wanted, you could put this in a food processor or use an electric whisk, anything you want to make your life easy. And there we go. So that's a nice sort of pancake batter consistency, and the reason we've split the eggs is, and whip these up, these are going to add loads of fluff and lightness and air to the mixture. So what we're going to do next is we're going to add a third of this sort of whipped egg white mixture, and we're going to beat this in, and that helps when we add the rest of it, just so it incorporates nicely into the pancake batter. Then we're going to go in the rest of it. And then we're just going to fold this in nice and gently, because we don't want to knock all that air that you've just spent the last 5 minutes whisking in. Now this batter isn't one that you can keep in the fridge and use in an hour or so. This needs using sort of within the 30 to 45 minute mark. Otherwise your hard work will be wasted. There we go. And that is the batter all made. Fantastic. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to switch the grill on. So we're going to press the on button, and we're going to press bake, and we're going to drop this down to 10 minutes, and we're going to put the temperature up to 190, and we're going to press start and preheat, and that's going to preheat this. We're going to preheat it for 5 to 10 minutes to get the base pot nice and hot. Grill is now preheated, and what I'm going to do is just put a little drizzle of oil. This is just rapeseed oil, vegetable oil, and I'm just going to brush this over the base of the pot like so, and that's just going to help for the pancake mix to cook when it instantly hits, and also to stop it sticking. So I'm just going to give this another minute to heat up. So we're going to open it up, and I'm going to put my rings in. So you'll see these are pre-floured. Now if you've got silicone rings, the silicone ones will work better than the metal ones. So, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use these 3 metal ones. And then I've got half a cup measurer, and I'm going to pour around half a cup into each one of these moulds, and you'll get enough pancake mix here for about 5 of these pancakes, depending on obviously how generous you are with your portion sizes. Okay, and this is where, if you had it in a pan now, the heat from the bottom of the pan would be cooking away, and then you'd put a lid on, and then you turn them over and do both sides. With using the Ninja Grill, we're not going to be turning them over because you're going to get heat from the top, which is going to heat the base pan, and it's going to cook at the same time. So let's close this and give it the 8 minutes left on the timer. But it's actually 7 minutes. We're just coming up to 1 minute left on the timer, and I'm just going to open these up. So they've been in for nearly 6 minutes so far, and the smell is amazing. Oh, and I'd say they're done. Yeah, fantastic. So I'm going to lift these out onto the board. And I'm going to switch the grill off. And wow, they look absolutely amazing. Obviously this one's kind of burst over a little bit, but that doesn't matter. And then what I'm going to do is I've got a little knife. I'm just going to run round. They are hot, so just be careful. I'm just going to run round. Now you can line these. I've lined these in the past. However, I think they kind of work better. And look at that, fantastic. So I think they work better when they're not lined. Now I'm going to put these upside down, purely because the bases of these I think look better and give you a better presentation. So there's another one. And you'll see now why I've done these in different sizes. So we get the height, and the final one on top, just like so. We need to think of garnishing the plate up and making it look attractive. So first things first is maple syrup. I'm going to go with a good, generous helping of maple syrup. And then I'm going to go with some strawberries. These have been already washed. You can garnish this however you like. There's no hard, fast rule for this. However, I do like the look of the fruit and the colours. And then we've got some little blueberries, like so. Then I might even just stick some blueberries, strawberries on the top, if I can get it to balance. There we go. Strawberries can act as a little barrier to stop the blueberries running off. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of more over the top of the syrup, because we all love the syrup. And then I've got some cheats cream, because the kids love this stuff. And don't forget, this is hot, so if you put it straight on top, it's just going to melt. So just some little blobs of cream round to finish, and obviously you could dredge this now with a shaker of icing sugar. The finished article, guys, what do you think? Let me know in the description below. Picture next to me as well so you can see how it looks on the plate. And you know what, for pancakes done in a grill on bake mode instead of in a frying pan, I think they look really good. So obviously proof is in the eating, so let's have a go. Let's just dig straight in, cut right through them. Oh my word, the way the syrup's soaked in now. Bit of the cream as well. Oh my word, you have to try these. And look at the way they just bounce around, jiggle. Yeah, typical Japanese style fluffy pancakes. Wow, I'm going for another piece. My word, they really are superb. Please, you've got to try these. So if you like what you've seen today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you do subscribe to the channel and you hit that bell for the notifications of when I release a new video. And My next video coming up is going to be the barbecue sauce, which went on the burger, the chicken burger that I did in the Ninja Grill. Link is just above me now, and that video went down a storm. So I'm going to show you how I made that barbecue sauce in a 4-minute pressure cook using the Ninja Foodi. Until next time, I hope you've enjoyed watching and hope to see you all again very soon. See you later, everyone.
One pizza too many.